Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IDEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And unfortunately, today with that last 30 minutes really changed the landscape of the chart. In fact, I'd better illustrate this. So that's what the chart was looking like before the last 30 minutes. I mean, nothing great, but also nothing bad. I mean, the price was doing a great job holding up above that support at 260, which I talked about in several past videos. I mean, literally was just cruising nicely up above that level. Unfortunately, though, like I said, that wasn't the entire day. Still had 30 minutes left. And then the last 30 minutes, you can see surge in volume. And then the price broke down below that support level there, which brings about the next and first key update that needs to be made. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken close below, they tend to act as resistance. So now going forward, if there is going to be any sort of attempted recovery from this big movement in the last 30 minutes, $2.60 is going to be that first key battleground that needs to be cleared. I'm actually just going to get rid of the line up there. Yes, it pertains, just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So we'll try to keep this as clean as possible. But 260 is going to be that first key level now for the reasons discussed. If the price can, quickly snap back above that level, then the next key level of resistance to watch would be that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average, and that's currently valued right there at $2.93. So watch that area very closely. But before you put too much focus or emphasis on that 50-period moving average, the price needs to be able to prove itself in the near term again, quote unquote, prove itself, being defined as getting up above and staying above 260. As far as levels of support are concerned, next key level down there right at $2.30, which is that gap close location. So you can see right here, essentially closes the gap. Also an area where the price has bounced previously before. So now the question becomes, maybe this is some sort of double bottom that's formed. Maybe the price can now start to work its way back upwards. So, I mean, that's not guaranteed to happen, but my point is that's a rational thought to have. But all in all, yeah, rough final 30 minutes, really changed things up quite a bit. But we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.